Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
It is our project title. Our project title is Repair Tree Fast Repair for Single Failure in Erasure-coded Distributed Storage Systems. It is our project abstract. The combines of this network coding with this network structure and propose the repair tree model based on the general Erasure code to simplify the repair procedure. By decomposing the repair computing and distributing it among these tree nodes, our model can be mitigate the computing tensions. The performance of this repair tree is analyzing and evaluated by primarily emulation. The result is shown it can have the make about the 3 times faster computing than conventional measure on this repair throughput if it is doubled if there is network bottleneck. For proper topologies, it can be significantly reduce the repair traffic. We present the algorithm to generate the tree across this network topology. At last, we present the ideas of existing the repair tree to the repair multiple failures. In order to the guarantee the data reliability, Erasure code have been the used the distributed cloud systems. Nevertheless, this mechanism suffer from these repair problems and the excess the data are needed to this repair single failures, caching thus both the high bandwidth consumings for this network and heavy computing load on this replacement node. To reduce the repair traffic, the researchers pointed out of this trade-off between the storage and repair traffic and proposed regenerating codes by combining the network codings. However, the combining the only the focus on the storage, the terminal and constructionals of this code is quite complicated. Therefore, this paper further the combination of this network coding with this network structure and propose the repair tree model based on general Erasure code to the simplify the repair procedure. By the decomposing the repair computing as distributed it is among these tree nodes, our model can be mitigate these computing tensions. For the proper topology, it is significantly reduce the repair traffic. We present this algorithm to generate the tree across this network topology. At least we present this idea for extending the repair tree to the repair multiple failures. For the first, accept is a decomposition repair computing. Due to this linear combination of this property of the codes, the decomposing the repair codes is distributed across the network. The core it is the multiple operation to help the data to their coefficients are carried out of this sender instead of the sinker. For the instance, we firstly obtain the transitive vector. The Erasure code vector has a decoded matrix and then it is sent this element of the transitive vectors to the respective the helpers. The helper multiply the helper data element before the sending them out of this. It is our project flow diagram. In our project, the first process is on CSP. The CSP is a cloud service provider. The cloud service provider can be handling this, all of this model and all of this concept and repair tree models. First, the cloud service provider can be first model is on load cloud data. The cloud service provider can be load this cloud relevant data. For example, cloud relevant all informations for using the cloud users information and the cloud users files and data and servers, all information can be stored for this data. So the cloud user can be CSP cloud service provider can be upload this data for this cloud server. The second is create a servers. The cloud CSP provider can be create a servers. How many server it can be want to be create. For example, the cloud server can be created the 5 types of server. All server can be started for this in this process. So next process in data duplication process, and it is in data duplication process. The server can be stored this cloud relevant information. For example, the CSP first can be stored for this cloud relevant information, and the cloud data information can be stored for this servers. The cloud service provider can be create a cloud servers. This servers can be stored this cloud data informations. The user can be upload this any of this file data. This file data can be stored for this servers. The data duplication process can be take this duplicate copies for this original files. So this original file can be splitted and full file partition process. The original file can be splitted into some of this process, some of this partition for based on this file size and file length. So this splitted file partition file can be stored for this created servers. And the next is a file transferring erasure code. This erasure code means it can be take this for some of the duplicate copies for this original files. So this splitted file can be stored for these servers. The file transferring process can be transfer these files into the erasure code. The erasure code can be takes the duplicate file copies for each service data. So next process is in file allocation process. The file allocation process means the duplicate copy file can be stored for this another servers. For example, the CSP can be created for this 5 servers, and the next process is in file partition. The file partition splitted file into this basic based on length and size. So this file can be stored for these servers. So next process file data allocation process means the duplicate file can be allocation for this created for some of the servers. So next process in cloud verification process. The CSP can be verification process. After the verification process can be success, the CSP can be view this deleted files and all of this information file. If the original file can be deleted with these servers, the duplicate copy file can be replacement this original server sites. So it is our project repair tree. So these two types of packages are involved in this field. First is server side and the second is repair tree. So click this home page and right click this run file. So it is our project home page. It is our project title name is repair tree fast repair for single failure in Erasure-coded distributed storage systems. So click this home page. So it is our cloud data loading process. So click this browse data, click this data set and click this open. So it is all relevant of cloud users information can be displayed these fields. So click this load data. Our cloud user data can be loaded successfully for this stored for this database. So click this view data. It is our cloud consumer ID name and the server ID and all of information can be displayed this field. So next is server allocations. So the cloud service provider can be gives of number of services. I can be gives 9 number of services. So click this servers. All service informations and details can be displayed this fields. So the totally 9 number of server can be created these fields. Memory size, RAM and the starting time, all of information can be created successfully for this field. So click this created. So server was created successfully for this in this process. So minimize all of these frames. So after we can be run this packages server side. So click this server one, right click this run file. So this is the cloud storage file informations. So click this. It is totally cloud files can be user uploaded file can be displayed this fields. So it is in cloud files information, the cloud file says and total file informations can be displayed in this field. So click this data information. So data allocations, total 9 server can be created. It is server 1, server 2, server 3, server 4, 5, 6. It is cloud servers informations and data can be viewing this process. So all of these 12 files can be splitted and it can be partition completed. These files can be stored for each 9 servers. So file data storage file says all of information can be displayed this field. So next process, malware attack monitoring process. So click these servers. So total number of server and frequent time can be displayed. So click these attacks. So total number of attacks can be displayed in this field. So next process is attacked file. So server 6 can be attacked. So this original file can be deleted for this server. So we retrieving files gives this retrieving files. Our decision and our decision repair tree algorithm can be processed this field. So we can be the duplicate copy file can be viewing this file, but original file can be destroyed. The duplicate copy can be displayed this field. So in this it is Erasure-coded for based on this repair tree model. So it is an final result of this graph comparison. It is in security 1 analysis and it is in security analysis. It is in security level can be varying this for each levels. It is in security, accuracy, efficiency, secure and precision. All information can be displayed this field. So thank you for this watching this video.